Hello everyone, I am Suzette Dawn N. Villanueva, currently taking the degree of Bachelor Science in Computer Science, second year student from Sultan Kudarat State University in Isulan campus. In this video, I will be solving a maximum flow problem using the network diagram to be shown on the screen. This is the maximum flow of the computer network model. In this problem, our goal is to find the maximum amount of data that can be transmitted from computer A to computer Z through the network. Understanding the network. Each circle represents a computer node and every arrow represents a communication link with a capacity written in red. This capacity tells us the maximum amount of data that the link can carry. From computer A, there are 3 outgoing connections. A to B with capacity 8, A to E with capacity 9, A to C with capacity 5. And from there, data flow through the middle nodes and eventually reach computer Z. Method used. To solve the maximum flow, we use the Ford-Fulkerson method, which finds all the possible valid paths from A to Z and sends as much flow as each path can hold. We do this one path at a time. Path 1. A to B, B to D, D to G, G to Z. Let us look at the first position route. A to B is equals to 8, B to D is equals to 9, D to G is equals to 8, G to Z is equals to 5. The flow along a path is limited by the smallest capacity. So the bottleneck is 5 coming from G to Z. We send 5 units of flow through this path. After this, the link G to Z becomes full and cannot carry more data. Path 2. A to C, C to F, F to H, H to Z. We now look at the lowest path. A to C is equals to 5, C to F is equals to 6, F to H is equals to 5, H to Z is equals to 6. Again, the smallest value is our bottleneck. So the bottleneck is 5 coming from A to C and F to H. We send another 5 units of flows through this path. After this, the edges A to C and F to H are fully used. Check for more possible paths. We check if any more valid path exists. We have 2 remaining branches. A to E, E to G, G to Z, and A to E, E to F, F to H, H to Z. But these are no longer usable. G to Z is already full from path 1. F to H is already full from path 2. This means we cannot push any more flow through the network. Path 1 gave us 5 units. Path 2 gave us 5 units. So the maximum flow from A to Z is 5 plus 5 is equals to 10 units. And that is our final answer. The maximum amount of data that can be transmitted from computer A to computer Z through this network is 10 units. Thank you for watching!